here's how to fix iMessage not working on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix iMessage not working on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are two methods on how you can fix it. So the first one is very easy and simple. You just need to swipe down on your control tab, and right over here you'll see this whole interface, and you just simply need to turn your airplane mode on. And once you turn it on, just leave it there for a couple of seconds. So I'm just gonna leave it just like that and then turn it back on. And yeah, once you're done with that, and you're pretty good to go. And if it's still not working after that, you need to go to your settings after that. And this is the final fix, and it basically fixes your iMessage. So you need to type in message over here, and here you'll see messages. Just go over there, and under the messages you'll see this iMessage option. You need to turn it off and just wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on, and it's just gonna say waiting for activation. And yeah, it's just gonna take a while to activate, and there you go. Now your iMessage should be fixed. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can fix iMessage not working on your iPhone device. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.